So what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So to continue on the VR4 project, I need to flush this radiator. So let's get it done. So I had to run to the store the other day to pick up a few parts that I needed. Oh yeah. I believe this is the one that I am after. We got us some coolant juice. Now let's do this thing. There they are. That should probably work for what I need it to do. I just need something to put under the car to catch the antifreeze. I have something similar to this, but I really don't see that being needed for what I need to do. Needed flush, antifreeze, and a bucket to catch it in. Now that I got those, I should be able to attempt, keyword attempt, I've never done it before, but attempt to flush the radiator in this car. It has not been done since I've owned the car, so I have no clue what condition it's going to be. It's probably really nasty. I'm scared to find out. Also, the wind's blowing today, so sorry about the wind noise. All right, let's see how bad it is. Yeah, that's pretty gross. Oh boy. All right, it looks like I need to clean out a little bit of this junk buildup. That is disgusting. Yeah, good enough, I guess. All right, to help with this job, I also picked up this radiator spill-proof kit. So let's see what's inside. I'm guessing it's going to be this one. I've never done this before, so I'm learning as I go. Let's see. Nope. I guess that works. What am I going to do for 10 minutes? Here we have a wild Cobain. Hi, Cobain. Hey. Cobain. Hey. Wanna go for a walk? You do? All right, let's go for a walk. Come on. All right. I guess taking him for a walk is a good way to kill 10 minutes. Come on, let's go. All right, my 10 minutes is up. Now let's flush this and see what we got. Oh yeah. Let's get all that old garbage out of here. Let's dump this. Add another bottle of flush. Do it again. Oh yeah, she's thirsty. And just like that, our time is up. Let's shut it off. Let's drain this one. All right, one final time. Much cleaner. Not quite clear, but it's clear enough. That should be plenty for the swap. I will have to say, it's my first time using one of these kits. And I do recommend everyone needs to go get one. They're doing any kind of radiator work. Sure made this job a lot easier. No mess, no spill, nice and clean. I give it a thumbs up. I would like to thank everybody for watching this video. This was my first attempt at flushing a radiator, and I think it went fairly well. You should never be afraid to try something new. Now, you may fail at it and you may not, but you learn as you go. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to follow what I'm going to do next. As you see, there's a Mishimoto box over there. Just going in there. I hope everybody has a wonderful and productive afternoon. I'll see you at the next one.